In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2017 MCQs, that is cofactors of the element of the second of the row of the determinants matrix are. Solution, that is simple calculations show that the cofactors are minus 39, 3 and minus 11. So option A is correct. How to find cofactor? So first, second row, first element, that is equal to minus 4. So minus 4, first, second row, first column, neglect. That is minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1. So that is equal to minus 1 power 3 is equal to minus 1 into 9, 2 times is 18, minus multiply minus plus 3, 7 times is 21, 21 plus 18 is equal to 39. So 39 into minus 1, which is equal to minus 39. So first, that is minus 39. Next, second row, second element, that is equal to 3. So second row and second column, neglect, that is minus 1 power 2 plus 2 into 9, 1 time is 9, minus 3, 2 time is 6, 9 minus 6 is equal to 3, so 3 into 1, which is equal to 3. Next, second row, third element, that is 6, so second row, third column, neglect, that is minus 7, minus 1 power 2 plus 3, so minus 7 into 1, minus 7, minus 2, 2 times is 4, minus 7, minus 4 is equal to minus 11. So minus 11 into minus 1, that is equal to plus 11. So option A is correct, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.